Sometimes you just can't beat a classic loaf cake, and it's blood orange season, so I thought, why don't we make a blood orange loaf cake? So let's get our sugar into our bowl, and then we want all that orange flavor. So we're going to take those beautiful blood oranges, we're going to zest them and massage it through the sugar to release all those citrus oils. And look at that vibrant color that you get from adding the orange zest. We pour our eggs on top, and then just whisk it for about 3 minutes. It will look pale and thicker. Then we're going to pour in our cream and whisk that through. Then we take it off the mixer and we're going to tip in our dry ingredients. So we've got cake flour, baking powder and salt. You don't have to use cake flour, but it is ideal. We're going to whisk that through before getting in our neutral oil. And all we do is pour that batter into a greased and lined 2-pound loaf tin. And to control the cracking, we're just going to pipe a thin line of butter. Now I've actually doubled the recipe, but we're going to put these cakes in the oven to bake. And then I'm going to make a blood orange soaking syrup. So I'm going to cut those blood oranges, then squeeze the juice out of them, add the same weight in sugar. I'm going to put that into a pan and bring it to a gentle simmer until that sugar has dissolved. Once they've finished baking, just have a look at those cakes. Beautiful rise, absolutely perfect. While those cakes are still warm, we're going to take that blood orange syrup and we're going to pour it all over the top. These get wrapped up while they're still warm. We chill them in the fridge overnight. The next day, we're going to make a quick icing just by using icing sugar, that blood orange juice for the color, and some lemon just to give it a bit of tang. And whisk it all together until you've got this vibrant pink icing. And all you do is paint that all over the cake. We pop that cake back in the oven just for a minute to set that glaze, and then it is ready to serve. You've got this lovely tangy glaze around the outside with a sweet, soft cake on the inside. That's a lovely cake. Now, 2 important things here. Don't skip that overnight chill. You need that for the texture, right? And then the lemon in the icing is very important. That's just gonna rein in the sweetness, just a kiss, right? And balance things out. I've also added a chocolate cream into the recipe. Just click the link in my bio, you can get the full recipe. It's really nice if you wanna make it, but totally optional. Hope you enjoy.